Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I will show you how to delete your TikTok account by using your Android mobile or iOS devices, and this trick common for all Android and iOS platforms because this TikTok app settings are common for all devices. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your TikTok mobile application. So now in this home page section, you can press this me icon and it is placed at the bottom of fifth one and it shows my TikTok profile informations. But in this section, you can press this vertical three dot icon and it is placed at almost top of right side corner. So now it shows all TikTok app settings. So here you can go to manage my account and the first one. So here it shows my mobile number and other informations. So if you want to deactivate your TikTok profile, just press this delete account option and it is placed at the bottom. So before going to delete your account, first of all, they verify your account details via this verification code. So if you want to get this verification code, by simply press send code option and then wait for a few seconds. So after the few seconds, I received the verification code from TikTok. So just type that code and then press continue. And finally one more time they ask for confirmation. But in this section, you can read this one important message. So if you press delete option, your account will be deactivated for 30 days. During deactivation, your account won't be visible to public. So after 30 days, your account will be then deleted permanently, which means that this process takes more than 30 days. So anyway, finally you can press delete account option. And one more time they ask for confirmation. So you can press delete. But here I does not press this link because I just show the steps for making this YouTube video. So this is the way you can easily delete your TikTok account by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, Techans, and thanks for watching.